CCTV camera installation at Golden Top Hotel.
Thanks for staying tuned. As you can see, we have different experts for different functions. This our expert here is installing our surveillance camera. This is CCTV camera in this place. Remember, I showed you something at the engine house, which is the control room. You talked of the erector consisting of the DVR. Okay, this camera now is videoing and covering whatever that is going on in this place. Then the DVR will be at the control room, then pushing it to the monitor, where it will be displayed at the monitor screen. You understand? Are you mesmerized with what you are seeing? This is tech. We are talking tech. Talking just limited. We are here. We got it covered. Remember, we are sitting on CCTV camera. This is the indoor camera, as you can see. While the one that I showed you outside is outdoor camera. There are two types: outdoor camera and indoor camera. They are all surveillance camera, CCTV camera. Solely deployed by Open Just Limited.